Hi guys, welcome back. Let's create this cloth simulation in Cinema 4D where this cloth will act as a flag that will be looking smooth and silky. Let's create one. So hold the left click button, head over to plane. This will be the cloth material, the flag material, that's to say. And then change the width to, set the width to 400 and the height to 250, just like this. And then go to coordinates, set the H rotation to 90 and P rotation to 90 degrees. 90 degrees, and then you're done. Well, let's actually increase the height just a little bit, and then we're going to add some, a field. Right click, head over to other tags, and then vertex map. And then hold the left click button, click on box field, and then afterwards, do some resizing. This will allow the cloth to stand still within the area covered by the box. And then afterwards, you just do it like this, and then put it to the right slightly, just like this. Afterwards, hold the left click button, head over to invert, just like this. And then let's add some cloth material. Cloth simulator. So right click, and then head over to simulation tags, click on cloth, and then all it does is that, hold on, if we hit play, it will fall down. Because we haven't, mixed the animation with the box field. So tick the box with pins, and then drag this into this one. And then it will look like this. Alright, now, Alright, the cloth is starting to move. But, head over to plane. And then increase the segments for the width and the height to this. And then if we hit play, it will still look, unequal. So let's add a wind simulator. So go to simulate forces and then head over to wind. And then change the wind speed to 1500. Go to coordinates, change the H rotation to 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and then drag it until it lies here, and then the wind will actually blow this flag. And then go to simulate forces, and then go to turbulence. This will make the flag motion to be irregular based on the movement. And then go to object, change the strength to 200 and the scale to 30%. And then there's one more. Click on simulate forces and then rotation. This will make the flag gets rotated. And then change the angle speed to 250. And then when it's done, it will look like this. Alright, fancy. Now you have this flag motion. Really silky and smooth, especially if you add subdivision surface object, and then you drag the subdivision surface object here, and then drag the plane object as the child as the put the plane object, which is the flag object, as the child of subdivision surface, and then it's smooth, and then it may turn into this fancy, and it's looking silky smooth and looking really elegant as well. That's how you can make this cloth simulation to make this cloth act as a flag in Cinema 4D. You can make any flag with this cloth, and then you can put any material, which is, how your flag is shaped like. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.